everyone. Let's start our day with a new rhyme. Okay, are you ready? Fine. So let's sing with me. Be ready? Okay. Two little dicky birds sitting on a wall. Say after ma'am. Two little dicky birds sitting on a wall. One named Peter, other named Paul. Fly away, Peter, fly away, Paul. Come back, Peter, come back, Paul. So let's revise it. Okay, fine. Let's start again. Two little dicky birds sitting on a wall. One named Peter, other named Paul. Fly away, Peter, fly away, Paul. Come back, Peter, come back, Paul. So let's start our day with maths new concept. Kids, as you know, as you have practiced more on numbers counting and that number count, after that ma'am has taught you about after numbers. Am I right? So today we are going to do more practice on between numbers. See kids, when we have done after numbers, fine. So now after that we have done tens and ones. Now you understood what is the exact place of number in tens or either it is in ones column, fine. So here we go. For the between numbers we can go ahead, fine. So just tell me kids, what is mean by between? What is mean by between? What is mean by between? Between का मतलब क्या होता है? Between मतलब जो सेंटर में आएगा, जो बीच में आएगा, राइट? जैसे कि हम नंबर्स को काउंट करते हैं, we are counting the numbers, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, right? Fine. Suppose kids, here on the board I am going to write something. So making standing line. I have drawn one standing line with green color. Fine. So next is I am going to draw another line, and this is like candy. Fine. Lollipop. Okay. You like it? Fine. One I have drawn in green color. Second one I have drawn in orange color. Now next I am going to draw in white color. Got it? ये हमारे तिरंगे का कलर हो गया, राइट? ग्रीन, ऑरेंज एंड व्हाइट. फाइन. दिस इज आवर फ्लैग्स कलर, नेशनल फ्लैग्स कलर. फाइन. You should know. Fine. Here I have drawn these lollipop candies. So make it like lollipop. See? Got it? Now I am going to give them number. Fine. So I am going to give number. Which number shall I take? I would like to take like 4. Next number is 5. This one is 6. This one is number 6. Okay. So here we go. Fine. 4, 5, 6. These numbers are coming one by one. Fine kids. Now tell me which is first number or which number. As you see this, like 4, 5, 6. Okay. 3 numbers are given to each candy. Fine. So first candy is having or it has number 4. Second candy is having number 5 and last candy is having number 6. So kids, this is first, second and third. You know, the second one is center. Second one is center. Means बीच में है, वो सेंटर में है. इन दोनों के बीच में आप ऑरेंज कैंडी देख सकते हो. तो जो नंबर्स दो नंबर के बीच में आते हैं उन नंबर को हम क्या कहते हैं? बिटवीन नंबर. वी कॉल देम बिटवीन नंबर्स. फाइन. सो हियर दिस इज द मोर फन विथ नंबर्स इन डिफरेंट कॉन्सेप्ट. सो हियर वी आर गोइंग टू लर्न, वी आर गोइंग टू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट इज बिटवीन नंबर्स. फाइन. सो हियर दिस नंबर इज between number or this candy is called between candy or 5 is the between number of 4, 5 and 6 sequence. Okay, so getting it. So let's go ahead. Next number for we can take more number for this. One more example I would like to share with you. See kids, I have brought some flowers. These two flowers are in silver color and this one is in gold color. Golden, sorry. This one is gold color. Fine. So I have brought for you. So here, ma'am is going to. Here I have brought these three. Fine. So two are in silver and one is in gold. So see, I am putting like this. If I am putting like this, you can see. Okay. First flower is in silver. Second one is in golden color and third one is in silver color. Now tell me which flower is it at the center or in between two silver color flowers? Yes, tell me. Golden. Very good. Exactly. Nice. Keep it up. So here I hope you understood the concept of between number. The number which comes at the center of any number, like in sequence, that number is called between numbers. So let's go ahead for the next more examples. So do you have box line? Yes. So take it out and just write with pen, or first understand it and then write in your notebook. Fine. So here I am going to draw my box line notebook. So see, these are horizontal lines. These lines are called horizontal lines. You must know about these lines. So I have almost done this. Now these lines are horizontal lines. I am going to draw vertical lines now. See, you can see this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, I have done this. Fine. So we are going to take more examples on this box line. Fine. I have made my notebook on my board. Fine. So here, kids, you have learned about tens and ones. I am going to put tens and ones. See, first tens and ones. Here is tens and ones. Fine. So you can put like this. Tens and ones. You have to make extra one. Fine. Here I am going to give you examples for the between number. Fine. So we'll use these three boxes like for the tens and ones. So here I am going to put first number, and that is we have to find between number 5 and here is 7. Okay, now we don't need of this extra one. So kids, 5 and 7. Now you have to find the number which comes in between 5 and 7. Okay, now tell me which number will be there in between 5 and 7. So for that you have to say the numbers. Fine, you have to say the numbers. Say 5. Okay, I am going to take out 3 fingers. Suppose this one is 5 number. 5. Okay, and 7. So very easy. 5. Say it sequentially. 5, 6, 7. Fine. Otherwise this side, from this side. 5, 6, 7. Which number is at the middle? In the middle? Yes, it is 6. So our answer will be 6. So I am going to write here 6. I have found my answer. See, 6 is my answer. Very easy concept. And you can have more practice on this. You can take your numbers, like which number you like most. You just start from that and take out the between number or center number as your answer. Fine. So next is I am going to take number 1 to 12. 1 to 12. And here box is empty. So you have to put the answer 12, and here is 5. 1 to 12. And next number, sequentially you can find it very easy way, in very easy way. Find 12, say 12, 13, 14. Suppose this one is 12 number. If you say it sequentially, 12, after 12, 13, 14. So which number is in the middle? Yes, it is 1, 3, 13. So your answer is 1, 3, 13. Got it, kids? So in this way, you have to make the answer. You have to find out the answer. So let's have next example. So shall I write 24 and here I am going to put 26. First thing you have to read the sum or read the number. Okay, you have to say the numbers. After that you can find it easily very quickly. Fine. So 24 next and 26. 26 and 24. Both numbers are given and one center box is empty for your answer. So 24 dash 26. Tell me the answer. Just say it sequentially. 24, 25, 26 over. Now see. 24, 25, 26. Which number comes in the middle? So it is 25. So here we have found the answer and that is 25, 25. Kids, I have written in the box, given box as an answer. Fine. So let's go ahead. So here I am going to put next line. Fine. Done. Now this was first example, second, third. Let's have another example. Okay. Fine. I am going to take 30 number. And here I am going to put 32. See, now you can see two numbers are given, 30 and 32. Now find out the answer. As per I said, we have to say it sequentially. 30, 31, 32. Very good. Say 30, 31, 32. Say it on finger. 30, 31, 32. So here we have found which 31. So we have to put in the blank box. 31, 31. So this is the answer. Now next is 40. Okay, I am going to give you one example. So here I am going to put 3, 5, 35. You can see, you follow the tens and ones always. Always remember, don't go here and there. Don't leave the boxes like, don't write here and there. Just follow the tens and ones. It will be very nice writing in your notebook. Fine. So now your task 3, 5, 35. Box is empty. Now next is 37. Now this is your task, your test. Write the answer of 3, 5, 35. Box is given in 37. Which comes in between 35 and 37. So this is your test. This is your mental maths. Just give me answer quickly. Okay. 1. I'm counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Time up. Now give the answer. Okay, very good, well done. Now see kids, you have to take more examples by your own. Take the help of your parents and I request to parents, please give them more examples to find out the between number. So keep learning, keep doing more practice and take it as a PH and do it in your notebook. Thank you so much. Take care. Have a nice day. Kids, let's solve some more examples on the board. So get ready for the more examples. I am going to tell you. So here some examples are given. This is like assignment, class assignment you are going to do. So get ready with the notebook, pencil. Okay. So here I have written in numbers in droplets, right? I have drawn some droplets, fine. So this is in a creative way we are going to solve it. So I have written in droplets number. So you can see the first example 19 and here is empty box. Empty box is given for the answers and here is 21. Fine. So let's find out first between number. Okay. So here 1919. Just count it. 1919. You can start from 1919. Fine. Directly start from 1919. 1919, 2020, 2121. Okay. Now which is the second one, or which number is in the middle? So that is like 1919, 2020 and 2121. So here the answer will be what? Which number will be the answer? Yes, tell me. 1920. Exactly. Very good. So right here the answer is 2020. Let's go ahead. Next number is very easy number. So this is 7 number. So just sequentially count it. 7. Just take it 7. Next 8 and 9. Fine. 7, 8, 9. So which number is there? In the middle. So 7, 8, 9. Very good. 7, 8, 9. Which number will be there? Yes, tell me. Yes, you're right. 8 number. So I'm writing number 8. Now let's solve next example. Third one. Okay. So here 1, 0, 10. Just count it, children. Count. First 10, 10, 11, 12. Right? Am I correct? So here 1, 0, 10 dash 12. So say it sequentially. 1, 0, 10, 1, 1, 11, 1, 2, 12. Very good. So answer will be 1, 1, 11. I'm putting here. Fine. So here we have done 9, 20, 8 and 11. So 19 and 21, which is the between number? It is 20, 7 and 9, which is the between number? 8, and in between 10 and 12, which is the between number? 1, 1, 11. Very good. Now let's go for next. It is 2, 9, 29. Boxes, empty boxes given, and 3, 1, 31. Okay, don't get confused. You have to say, you have to start from 2, 9, 29. So let's start. 2, 9, just take out 3 fingers. 2, 9, 29. 30, 3, 0, 30, 3, 1, 31. Okay, so 2 numbers are given. Like first number 2, 9, 29. This is empty box, and 3, 1, 31. So here we have to write which number? 29, 3, 0, 30. Yes, exactly. So write down in your notebook 3, 0, 30. Fine. Here we have done with 3, 0, 30. Now 3, 9, 39 box is given for the answer, and 4, 1, 41. So let's start. Now you have to be habitual for the counting, and sequentially you have to count it fastly. Okay. So here 3, 9, 39. Next number is, let's put it on our fingers. 3, 9, 39. 4, 0, 40. 4, 1, 41. So which one is, which number is the in the between number or in center? So 3, 9, 39. 3, 9, 39. 4, 0, 40. And 4, 1, 41 is given. So 3, 9, 39. Next number is 40. So here I am going to write 4, 0, 40. Okay, done. So one example is left. Now you tell me. 5, 3, 53. Now you can count till at least 100. So it is very easy. You just start from the 5, 3, 53. 5, 3, 53. Just start it. Okay. Take out 3 fingers. Put first number on your finger. 5, 3, 53. 5, 4, 54. One's place will be changed. Like here, you just keep your 5 like in tens column, and one's column will be changed. Like 5, 3, 53. Here I am putting, and on next finger I am putting 5, 4, 54. And next is 5, 5, 55. So what is the answer? You have to write. So write in the box and show me it afterwards when school reopens. Fine, I am going to check your notebooks. So write in notebook. Okay kids, and try and take more examples. Put the numbers in droplets and design like this only. One droplet, give the put number, one box, and next one more droplet. Okay, take help of your parent and do it nicely. Okay.